Hello everybody, so in case you didn't see my last video where I broke my iBook Clamshell's keyboard, basically I broke the keyboard to this thing trying to replace it with a different keyboard. It was for an iBook G3 Snow, and as a result this keyboard now does not work. So I ordered another one off of eBay for $80, which is this one right here, which is technically for the original iBook Clamshell, and this one is a iBook SE from 2000, so I'm hoping that this keyboard will work, but without further ado, I'm going ahead and start taking this keyboard out, and hopefully I can get the pins actually aligned. So if I were to do, I'll cut to a time lapse and I'll see where I can get the pins properly aligned this time. So let's go. So I managed to get the keyboard successfully in the iBook, and as you can tell, it is not exactly the best fit because this is an original iBook Clamshell keyboard and this is an iBook SE, so it's not the best fit, but I'm hoping this will work. So without further ado, let's power this boy on. And I'll just wait for this thing to boot, which is going to be a while since this is running macOS 10.4 Tiger. Wait a second, maybe this is working. Okay, I'll just give this thing a minute. Okay, trackpad's still working. Or I'm not. Let me see if I can get a response out of keys. Okay, now let's do the first test. Hang on, I'm not getting any response. This is not working. Okay, I'm going to go back in this computer and figure out why this isn't working. Alright, so I went back in there, I reconnected the keyboard, and I figured out another way to seat the airport card in, but that's probably the correct way. Hoping it will work this time. I'm just going to go ahead and test it out. We're in the system now, so now let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. It's working! I actually fixed it! Now I finally have a good iBook Clamshell keyboard. I mean, it doesn't match, but still, it works, so I'll take it. But as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Family, and as always, peace out.